All right, for 17 through 20, we're finding the length of the arc. So for this formula, we're going to use radius times radians. This is our formula for arc length when we're given radians, which is what we have here. We don't have the measure of the arc. All right, so to find the length of the arc, we're going to take the radius, which is 5, and multiply it by 7 pi over 6. And we don't have any rounding rules, so we're going to leave it in terms of pi. And that just equals 35 pi over 6. And our units are miles. If that would reduce that fraction, 35 over 6, we would go ahead and simplify it. All right, for 18, same thing. We're going to take the radius, which is 12, and we're going to multiply it by 5 pi over 6. This time, I know that this is going to simplify. 12 times 5 is 60, so that's 60 pi over 6, which simplifies to 10 pi, and our units are yards. Okay, same thing with 19. This one, it's hard to see, but this is 15. The radius is 15 times radians, which is 1 pi over 6. And when we multiply that, we get 15 pi over 6. And we know that 3 goes into both of those. 3 goes into 15 5 times, and into 6 2 times. So this is 5 pi over 2. This would be meters. Did you know that even while sleeping, your brain is incredibly active and it can produce enough electricity to power a small light bulb? Number 20, 9 is your radius. Your radians is 7 pi over 12. And we know that the 9 and the 12 are going to simplify, but that gives us 63 pi over 12. And 63 over 12 will simplify to 21 over 4. So this would be 21 pi over 4 centimeters. Make sure your units in all of these are linear, so they're not squared, because you're finding arc length.